Carl Linnaeus was born in the southern Swedish province of Småland in 1707 and is considered to be one of the most influential scientists of his time. His life's work was to develop and refine a way to group life on Earth, or to classify it. So straightforward was his system, it is still used by scientists and understood by people across the world today. His father, Niels Ingmarsson Linnaeus, was both an avid gardener and a Lutheran pastor, and Carl showed a deep love of plants and a fascination with their names from a very early age. While studying medicine at both the universities of Lund and the University of Uppsala in Sweden, he devoted a large amount of his time to the study of plants, and in 1732 he mounted a botanical expedition to Lapland. Over 5 months he travelled some 3,000 miles, collecting biological specimens and taking notes. In 1734 he mounted another expedition to central Sweden.
He was an empiricist. He didn't believe things that he hadn't seen with his own eyes. He was very reluctant to take on trust something that somebody had written about.
In 1735 Linnaeus moved to the Netherlands, and it was in that same year that he published his most well-known work, the Systema Naturae, or the System of Nature. In it he outlined a new system for the naming of all living things.
There are, I guess, there are two main things that Carl Linnaeus tends to be known for. The one is his classification systems, which at the time were really rather revolutionary, particularly in the plant kingdom, rather less so amongst the animals. And the second thing is his introduction of a new naming system using a genus name and a species name, the so-called binomial system. Now, of the two, it's the latter, it's the naming system that is his primary legacy.